In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to make over $1,000 on this particular gold trade right here, which went all the way to 1-to-9 risk reward ratio using the advanced Quasimodo strategy right here. So make sure you watch to the very end as I show you everything. All right, so let's get started right now. All right, so let me just show you what was happening before all this, right? So you can see that right here around 11:44, we spotted this beautiful sales setup on gold right here. So what did I see? I saw a nice rally based drop supply zone with QML low and high, and then we had at the break of structure to the downside. All right, this happened after the Asian session was already liquidated. So what I do, I just went to the lower time frame, found my order block, waited for the market to come into my area. As you can see from here, the market gave us a nice confirmation to enter right here. And once that happened, guess what? It was game over. We were able to execute on this particular trade. And then you can see that our stop loss was 16 pips and our target was 170 pips right here. And a few minutes later, we saw the market start to push in our direction. The market was beautifully moving in our favor with nice momentum, and then we're able to go break even right here in the community. Okay, and a few minutes later, we saw the market continue to push the downside, as you can see from here. So I had to ask the community to actually throw their stop loss behind this structure right here. Why here? Because I know that once this market takes out this high, there's a high chance that the market may not continue to push the downside. So we're able to throw our stop loss to that level right here. We secured about 4-5 hour right there, and then you can see that the market continued to push in our direction. At this particular point, the market had gone all the way to this level right here, a little bit towards our target, and the market started to push because of this level right there. So what I do, I had to tell the community to move their stop loss behind this other structure right here. It's always important you pay yourself as the market makes money available to you. You can see we're able to throw our stop loss to this particular area right here. Then after that, what happened? The market started to give us signs of reversing. So it's always important to do your multiple time frame analysis, right? So you can see that clearly that the market was responding to this level right here. So after this response here, I was like, okay, I'm going to wait to see how the market responds from this level right here. If the market breaks this high, I'll be able to get out. And then I just waited for that. Soon after that, we saw that the market actually ended up going, started to push against us right here, and then we were able to exit this trade with about 9 hours out of the initial 13 hour this trade was supposed to go to, right? And then you can see that just after we exited that particular trade right here, we saw the market actually kind of took out this. Let me just show you in a minute right here. So you can see that the market actually broke this low. Let me show you what was happening on the 1 minute on that particular area right there. You know, the market moves in lower lows and lower highs, and you can see when this level right here is taken out, there's usually a chance that the market might not continue to push. So for me, once that was taken out, I was like, okay, there's a high chance that the market might not continue to go to the downside. Therefore, I had to ask the community to actually get out. And as you can see, the market just went past this level a little bit to the upside, and then continued to actually go in our direction until the market reached a 1-to-13 risk reward ratio, which was our initial profit. But I'm actually proud how we were able to manage this trade, because we got out not because of fear, but because of following price action. As you can see, the market took out this high, went a little bit to the upside, and then eventually went all the way to our take profit right here. And then after this, we saw the market start to push exactly to the upside, and this is what I was actually scared of. And I'm just happy in the way that we're able to manage this trade, because everything step by step was communicated in our private community right here, from the trade entry, from the trade man to the trade management, to how to move trail the stop loss behind structures. All of that was communicated in time, and that is extremely important. This was a beautiful trade, guys. A 1-to-9 risk reward ratio literally took less than an hour, and the market came all the way to our take profit. That was amazing, absolutely amazing. All right, so it's really important to know your strategy inside out. Exactly know when you're supposed to enter a particular trade, know exactly when you're supposed to try your stop loss, and all that. Now, for you to have that, you need to have the confidence in your strategy to be able to execute when need arises. When the market gives you an opportunity to actually do that, you have to make sure that you execute without hesitation or fear. It's extremely important. So talking about this strategy, guys, today I've heard your cries, guys. Most of you guys are coming to my inbox telling me 250 is too much for you guys, right? So what I've done is I have reduced the price for the next 7 days. So instead of you paying $250 to have access to our M&F Mastery course, which comes with lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals, in the next 7 days, you are just required to pay $100, right? And the first 10 people are going to get exclusive mentorship one-on-one. You get lifetime access to me, lifetime mentorship, lifetime signals for only $100 just for the next 7 days. Taking the same setups that I've shown you, every step by step, everything. Whenever you're not clear, you're able to jump on a call with me. We're able to go through everything step by step, so that at the end of the day, when you're done with our course, you must be able to trade on your own. And that is our goal. Our goal is to make you a consistently profitable trader. So that's it, guys. So make sure you check the first link in the description so that you are able to do this on your own without having to actually wait on anyone. This was absolutely amazing. Let me show you some of the things that you actually get when you actually buy this course, right? So this is what happens when you actually enter into our mastery course. You can see that we have our strategy here. We have a lot of videos right here which talk about our strategy, how we trade management, and everything. And then we have this part right here which focuses on risk management. Really important things. We cover extensive risk management, how to calculate your lot size, how to use proper risk management every time for you to become a consistently profitable trader. And down here you have trading psychology, which is the most important thing once you've mastered your strategy. So make sure you actually check the first link, because you're going to get access to all this right here. And on top of all this, remember, you get lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals. Whenever you have any questions, you get to ask me. We can go on a live one-on-one chat, ask you questions and everything. And remember, the goal is for you to be able to actually trade on your own when you're done with this particular course right here. All right, so you guys check the first link in the description. Remember, for the next 7 days only, this course will be available for $100 instead of you paying $250. So make sure you take advantage of it and don't miss out, guys. Don't miss out. All right, you guys, I hope you found value. If you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.